Hi and welcome, my name is Carolina and today I want to make a quick tutorial on how to print and assemble one of my PDF patterns. Open printing window and in the advanced settings select a borderless printing. Just bear in mind that it might be called something else on your computer. Then go to scale and select print in actual size so there will be no margins on the page. Then just simply align printout pages and tape them together. Now each size is marked with different strokes. Select your size, in my case it's a size 8, and cut out the pattern pieces. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful and as always, thank you for watching.